Welcome to Basics HQ, a place where future millionaire come to get inspired. In this video, we will explore step by step how to start a successful personal training business. The fitness industry is vast, and personal trainers can specialize in a range of areas: general fitness, sports-specific training, nutrition coaching, each catering to different client needs and preferences. Your choice can impact the clients you work with, your earning potential, and your overall job satisfaction. Becoming a personal trainer is an achievable goal, and it all starts with a few key steps. Step 1. Choose a personal trainer program and get your certification. Below are some of the best personal training certifications you can get today. National Academy of Sports Medicine, NASM offers a comprehensive Certified Personal Trainer (CPT) program. It covers a range of fitness topics and provides practical skills for working with clients. American Council on Exercise (ACE) provides a popular personal trainer certification program. It includes comprehensive study materials and exams to test your knowledge. TRX Certified Personal Trainer Programs, TRX, known for its suspension training equipment, offers certification programs including the TRX Suspension Training Course, YBEL Coaching Course, and TRX Yoga Foundations course. This specialization can be a valuable addition to your skill set, particularly if you're interested in functional fitness and bodyweight training. National Strength and Conditioning Association, NSCA, offers the Certified Strength and Conditioning Specialist, CSCS, program, which is more specialized and focused on strength training and athletic conditioning. Step 2. Do your research. Starting a business means you're not going to be working for an employer and instead will become an entrepreneur. You may want to research whether it is worth your time and resources to start a business entity like a limited liability company, LLC, which can separate your assets from that of your business. These rules vary from state to state. Spend a little time to research what would work best where you live. Step 3. Invest in liability insurance. Where will you provide personal training services? Will you be paying for a space in a facility, or do you plan on working in clients' homes? In either case, it will be necessary to invest in liability insurance. Most facilities that allow personal trainers to see clients will require this. If you're going into clients' homes, it's a good idea because, like forming an LLC to separate your business from your assets, it could protect you from any liability in the unlikely event a client becomes injured. As a NASM-certified personal trainer, you have access to an affordable liability insurance program. Step 4. Scope out the facility. When scoping out your facility, here are 4 really helpful questions to consider asking before you make any decisions. Only after you have weighed the potential answers to these questions should pick a facility. If you do decide to work as a contractor, where you are paying rent for space in a facility, what type of support, if any, will the facility offer? Will you have the opportunity to meet with new members of the facility? Will you be able to solicit existing members, or will you be required to do your marketing to bring clients in? How is the facility managed? It may be a popular place to work out. Still, if it's not professionally managed, you may want to consider whether it's worth your time to establish a formal business relationship. Step 5. Invest in the right equipment. If you decide to market yourself to clients in their homes or offer workouts in a location like a park, that will require you to invest in some exercise equipment. That's because you'll want to be sure to have what you need to successfully apply the different stages of the NASM Optimum Performance Training (OPT) model of program design. From medicine balls to rubber resistance to kettlebells to adjustable dumbbells, there are a number of options. Your budget and ability to transport them to the locations where you will be seeing clients will help determine the best equipment to suit your needs. If you are going to offer workouts at a park, make sure you check with the local park department to see if any permits are required. For example, in the city of San Diego, it is okay to train 1 or 2 people at a time in a city-managed park. Still, groups over the size of 4 require a permit issued by the park authority, which requires having the proper liability insurance. Graham King, the owner of Urban Fitness in Washington, D.C., started his business by offering workouts in a park and has grown to have 3 locations. As Mr. King demonstrates, park workouts can be an excellent option for starting a fitness empire, but you want to be sure you do it correctly. Step 6. Consider online coaching options. If you're going to offer online personal trainer programs, how will you market your services and deliver the workouts? Will you sell static programs or offer to coach through an online service? Another option is to provide live coaching via apps like FaceTime, Zoom, or Facebook Live. Kira Stokes, a NASM-certified personal trainer in New York City, teaches live classes and works with clients in person. She also has evolved to offer a successful app based on her Stoked method that reaches thousands of people a month, in addition to training clients online through video conferencing. The point is that technology has now made it possible for personal trainers to provide fitness solutions to clients anywhere in the world, as long as they have a high-speed internet connection and space to exercise in. Like any other business, there is tremendous opportunity in online coaching, but it will take time to be successful. Step 7. Identify your target market. Whether you are offering your services live or online, who is your target demographic? Who are the clients that will receive the most significant benefit from your services? It's one thing to offer a variety of different types of workout programs. Still, if you identify a specific target market, that could help you develop your messaging for how you market your services. For example, offering weight loss and muscle sculpting programs in an area with a large population of older adults may not resonate with an audience who lives in your immediate area. What types of clients do you want to work with? Take some time to brainstorm a target demographic like new moms, older adults, or teenage athletes, then identify the most effective method for communicating with them to attract and earn their business. Step 8. Create a brand. Once you identify a target demographic, how will you communicate with that demographic so they can understand the benefit of your fitness services? Marketing is branding, and branding is marketing. Creating a brand identity can help you to communicate with potential clients. When you think of tissues or adhesive bandages, brand names like Kleenex or Band-Aid tend to pop in your head right away. This is called top-of-mind brand recognition and is the power of developing a recognizable brand identity. Ms. Stokes used the convenience of her last name to establish her Stoked method, an instantly recognizable brand that has developed a strong following for her workout programs and coaching services. Step 9. Research payment methods. Whether you offer live or online services, how will your clients pay you for your time or the programs you sell? Just like technology has made it possible to reach clients anywhere in the globe, it will be necessary to research payment methods. You can start an account with PayPal, Venmo, Square, or any other service so that you can be sure that you are adequately compensated for your time and efforts. A lot goes into starting a fitness business. There is no guarantee of success, but if you have the hustle, put in the work, and apply these 9 steps, then you will be well on your way to a long, rewarding, and potentially lucrative career as a fitness professional. With this business, you can earn from $70,000 up to $250,000 per year. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. Please like and share it with friends and family. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more great business guides videos.